At Macquarie Asset Management in EMEA, we employ more than 570 people across 12 locations, with a further 85,000 plus employed through our invested assets. With Australian dollars of 204 billion in assets under management, we are the largest infrastructure manager in EMEA.
We're passionate about empowering our people and fostering a culture of excellence. With 25 years of experience in the region, we bring a long-term perspective and couple local boots on the ground with strengths and diversity of our global platform.
Our portfolio companies span across a range of sectors and are an essential part of the communities they operate, relied on by more than 167 million people every day.
Our deep sector expertise, existing asset footprint and strong track record unlocks a more strategic conversation with corporates and key stakeholders. It also allows us to cross-pollinate learnings on operational best practices, engagement with regulators, as well as key insights on capital markets.
Alongside our real assets business, MAM is investing in essential real estate and developing a growing credit business. We are trusted by more than 400 institutions, pension funds, governments and insurers in EMEA to create long-term value for hundreds of millions of people across the world.
I'm excited to deliver on our priorities within the existing portfolio, which aim to deliver societal benefits as well as the outcomes we've promised to our investors. A great example of this is the acquisition and asset management of Currenta, which was formed from a bilateral transaction with Bayer and Lanxess, carving out a chemical park from two of its key tenants. Our investment has allowed the business to become more sustainable and more efficient, helping its tenants to remain sustainable over the long term, as well as providing decarbonisation benefits to the German economy. Looking to growth, private capital has an essential role to play in delivering the estimated $32 trillion required by 2040 to meet the investment needs driven by decarbonisation, digitalisation and demographic change.
From data centres to energy transition technologies, we are driving investment into new sectors and scaling our investment capabilities to pave the way for continued growth. Some recent highlights include launching our first energy transition strategy for wealth clients, closing our largest ever European infrastructure fund, launching our European direct lending offering, and expanding our client relationships in EMEA.
I love working at Macquarie Asset Management because it empowers people to innovate and make investment decisions on behalf of our investors and society.